Today we have the 2022 Volkswagen ID.3. This vehicle has done just under 26,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control as well as automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, charging, app connect, radio and media, and navigation. As we swipe across, we have driver assist, ID software, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a grey leather trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof.